Guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install PidGen on your Chromebook, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. 15 more to 100, 5 more to 90, so let's just smash that subscribe button. It would really support the channel. And yeah, I know you guys don't like to wait, so let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so once you're at PidGen's website, links in the description below, top link. So what you want to do is very easy. First you need Linux mode on, links in the description below. Second link on how to turn on Linux mode on your Chromebook. So yeah, before you do this, turn on Linux mode. And if you already have, so what you want to do is go to your Linux terminal. So what you want to do first is sudo, you want to copy and paste it from the website exactly, or it won't work because I don't know why. This is just Linux's issue. You want to do Control C, but it's not Control V. It's Control Shift V. Then you click this, and then it looks like it is 2D2 package can be upgraded. So once you can do that, you want to do sudo apt upgrade. And then, yeah. And this will go ahead and upgrade 22 of these packages. You'll click Y. And this is going to make sure your system's all up to date so you get the latest version of PidGen on your Chromebook. So yeah, this looks like it isn't going to take too long, but I'll be back when it's fully downloaded. Alright guys, so once it's done, it will say the penguin thing at the bottom in green. So once it's done, do not close your terminal. Actually, copy and paste from the website, sudo apt install PidGen, Control C, Control Shift V, click enter, and this will, you want to continue while you click Y and click enter, and then this will go ahead and start downloading PidGen app on your Chromebook. So this will take a while, so I'll be back when it's fully downloaded. Alright guys, so once it's fully downloaded, it'll say the penguin thing, and then once you're done, you can safely close the terminal. What you want to do is go up, or by clicking that button in the bottom left-hand corner there, and then going up, scrolling down, and then in your Linux app there'll be PidGen Internet. You want to go ahead and open that, and this will take a little bit to open, but it won't take too long. And then once it's fully open, you guys have successfully installed PidGen, which is basically, if you don't already know what PidGen is, it is a call and message manager, so it's very popular. So yeah, it looks like it's open. Welcome to PidGen, blah, 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 and then you can add whatever you want, add all your things. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out, comment down below you subscribed and you'll get a shout out in my next video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.